I'm here in Jerusalem at the base of the Temple Mount, and we're at the southern steps, which are the very steps that Jesus would have walked up on his way to the temple. And in the Old Testament, you always hear about going up to Jerusalem. Let's go up to Jerusalem. And whether those people are in the north or in the south or in the east or in the west, they always talk about going up to Jerusalem and going up to the temple. The reason for that is because the city of Jerusalem itself is 2,000 feet above sea level. And then the temple is near the height and the top of the hill on which Jerusalem's built. And so you would always go up to Jerusalem and then you would go up to the temple, which is why the songs in the book of Psalms that were written to for worshipers going to the temple were called the songs of Ascent, or the Psalms of Ascent. And so, like, for example, one of the famous ones, Psalm 121, I lift my eyes up to the hills, maybe even looking around at the hills of Judea, the hills surrounding Jerusalem. I lift my eyes up to the hills. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. And so people coming to Jerusalem to celebrate one of the major feasts, the Old Testament, would go up to the temple and go up to celebrate